Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna take out HPI Maverick. A couple speed runs here. Already have the battery in there, so we're just gonna turn this on. Make sure everything's bound up. Okay. I just have a 4S in there. I did switch some stuff around a little bit. I put a 31 tooth spur gear on there. That's the lowest I had. I think I have a 27th, but I think that'll be way too low. But I'm hoping this will get me above. You can hear it's cogging a little bit now, so make sure we're going straight. Looks like we're get down here, make sure we're going straight. Okay. It kind of sounds like the mesh might be just a hair tight. Let's go down to the dual rate. And let's get down at the end here. We're trying for 76 or better hopefully. I haven't run this car since I crashed it last time, and I did have to fix the body a little bit. Oops. Enter. Bring that down a little bit. 30 should be all right. 29. Okay, let's go for it, guys. See what happens. It's not too windy today, so. Ah, nope. Why don't we try starting the GPS, huh? You know, let's see it working. Let's see if it's working. Yep, there it goes. Okay, track, start, stop, read. Okay, zeroed out. Track, start. It's testing. Make sure it's still working. Yep. Okay, now let's try this. So we're almost 1-to-1. We're 30 tooth pinion, 31 tooth spur gear with the SpeedTek RC speed spool in there, so we can get those gears, those numbers on there. Also with the SpeedTek gears themselves in there. It'd be hard to turn around, so I have the dual rate down. But I think we're straight. We're good down there. All right, let's try this again, guys. The wind's all of a sudden kicking up out here because I am out here. No. Yes, he cut out way early. Way early. That didn't help none. I just ran into the curb. Yeah, that cut out way early, guys. Okay. That didn't help. I thought maybe bringing the gears down a little bit. That EC is just not. I'm gonna put we'll just do this one run because it's just gonna do the same thing again, guys. So it's gonna be a quick little video. Stop, read. 68, so it cut out at 68 miles an hour right here too. So from there to here, okay, so it didn't even, I don't know, didn't even do half the track or half the distance I had here. So yeah, so hopefully you can read that. Should be able to. 68. yeah, guys, we're gonna go. I'm gonna put the old motor back in it, a little lower kV. And I got a Spectrum 6S ESC I'm gonna put in it and try that. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna go in and put the castle system in it and just go all glories. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit that bell so you can see the next video coming up on this and my other videos, and then go check out SpeedTek RC, speedtekrc.com. I got a 10% coupon for you guys there. Use Kurtz RCs, one word, for it, and you can 10% off, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.